Okay, guys, I just wanted to get on here and answer some questions and clear up some stuff in case you're having some problems with tonight's homework. Um, so you had the lesson 2 extra practice, and the top part, you know that you had to classify by the lengths of the sides and by the size of the angles. So you should have 2 answers for each of those. The bottom part, this was the part that I wanted to make sure that you are clear on. So the first one I want to go back over is number 7. And number 7, you have to write an equation and set it to equal 180 degrees. And so we're going to go to my paper. And so we would have 24 plus 36 plus 4x equals 180 degrees. Okay, so that was 36 degrees, 24 degrees equals 180 degrees. So the first thing you want to do is combine the things that you can combine. You've got the 24 and the 36 that you could add together, and that would give you 60. And then 60 plus 4x equals 180. Now this is a two-step equation. And so you would do the opposite of your order of operations. So we would add or subtract first because we're undoing the problem. So we're going to take the positive 60, and so we would subtract 60 from both sides of your equation. So 60 minus 60 is 0. That eliminates that, and we bring down the 4x. And then you have 180 minus 60, which would then give you 120. And then that's 4 times x. So you're multiplying by 4. So the opposite would be to divide by 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1, which leaves you with x. 120 divided by 4 leaves you with 30. So x is 30 degrees. Okay. Now looking at number 10, number 10 has 2x degrees plus 2x degrees plus x degrees would equal 180 degrees. Okay. I'm sorry, there seems to be a shadow. And so we could, this is kind of like saying 2 apples plus 2 apples plus 1 apple would give you 2 plus 2 would be 4, plus 1 would give you, we could do 4x, plus, I can even write 1x. And then 4 plus 1 would give you 5x. And that's really called combining like terms, putting together the things that are the same. Now we've got a regular multiplication equation that we would solve by dividing by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, which would be x. And then you would have 180 divided by 5. So we would divide 5 into 180. 5 would go into 18 3 times, which is 15. We would subtract and get 3, bring down the 0. 5 would go into 30 6 times, which is 30, and you have nothing left over. So x is, oh, my pen's running out. X is 36 degrees. Okay. So my main thing I wanted to show you with that one was how if you have like terms to combine those and then solve for x. So I hope this might clear up any question that you might have. Remember that if you have that, if you have a right triangle You know, it's normally going to be indicated with a box in the corner, and that box in the corner, it tells you that that is a 90-degree angle. Also, remember that all angles of a triangle, or in a triangle, must add up to 180 degrees in order to make a triangle. Okay, guys, I hope that helps you, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.